fake promises to marriage, and also about the paper leak. This is the biggest thing that is happening right now.
Hello our YouTube family, this is Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing perfectly, fantabulously, absolutely, amazingly doing great. Guys, today we are back with one more stunning GD video, that is reform of 3 bills including IPC is good or bad. Nowadays our team is going to record many videos on the current issues. So this is also a current issue. Now this bill is going to be present in the Lok Sabha. Alright, so we have the 4 orators between us. One side Mr. Manan, Lavina ma'am, Faizan sir, and last Bhaskar sir is here. So they 4 will discuss in a very good way, and they will exchange their questions, they will counter the questions and many more things. So which side is going to favor? This side is going to favor. So over to Mr. Manan, please initiate this session.
Yes, sir. Good evening to everyone and YouTube family. New provision in that a rule has been applied that they will be given to even to a capital punishment have been given to them, like a new fake marriage promise of men for fake marriage. The things that in this the women and men both can be for giving a punishment. That's the things given us gender equality. In CRPC, the new laws are taken that we can take the technological new things have been implemented. Another past thing, the call videos and recordings didn't implement by all provision, and new provision the recording can be implemented. The what should first thing we do if a phone coming and the blackmailing on phone, we do the recording first. That thing the old provision didn't take it, but in new provision these things have been taken.
Okay. So the thing is mobilizing people.
Yeah.
Okay, and another
Using of
electronic mob lynching. Okay.
And using of technology.
And using of the technology for the witnesses. Yes. Anyone have any question? Counter question? Yes.
Sir, you talked about that evidence will be admissible in the court. We can easily manipulate it, and
How?
sir, there are many hackers, and we can easily copy anybody and put this evidence in the court.
Okay, the manipulation of the evidences. What do you think?
We have also have cyber experts. What do you think about that? The cyber experts are doing like they are only sitting. They can also check their evidence. The court have provisions to check evidence first. They are giving like that if a case is gone about the 7 year, the forensic team have to go there and check all the evidence there. That's how we implement. Like that, if you are doing any technological issues like that, you are taking any things, fake videos and everything, the cyber experts are there to check it. So what can you say? How can we manipulate the court and that? The cyber experts are there, bro.
Okay, so the thing is that the question arises from his side, that is from his side, about the security of the cyber security. Okay, and he has mentioned the point of this. We have the many hackers are there, and many experts are there who can do this type of thing. Okay, again, yes.
You spoke very well, but as you said that cyber experts are there so that evidence can't be manipulated by anyone. So we have cyber experts before also. These rules before this rules implemented, and yet this rules is not implemented and enacted yet. It is only just a bill, and if you are talking about to implementing it right now, so I want to say that there are many cases pending going on in our country, and if you implement and if you change some sections in it, it is not that case will be solved so easily, and it is not possible to solve as like in this bill we have some certain acts and regulation that judge has to solve these cases in 3 years or the period of time it's mentioned. So it is not possible. It is not possible for us to solve for the judges to solve that cases in that particular mentioned time, because it didn't solve yet. It is pending and it is going on yet.
Super. Very nice question. Ma'am, do you have answer?
Okay, so there is a possibility after the implementing these laws, there is a possibilities that the case will decrease. If we go with the same pattern, then there might be possibilities. With the same routine, if we go, then it will maybe increase. But after a change, there is a possibility that it will.
Okay, wait. No, he has mentioned the point that is of there are many cases like 5 CR, approx 5 CR cases are pending, and she is saying the very right right thing that if we will implement right now, then absolutely in upcoming year the possibility will be decrease. Now there will be more increase. Okay, wait. Now next,
Add on an example.
you want to example, please?
Yeah. If you are in which class, you have a boundary of 1 year to pass it. If something happen, you can fail or repeat that class. That's the thing are going to be in case. The 3 year boundaries are be there. If something happens like that failure or something that goes to be a difficult, then we can extend it. That's the main thing. If we the mainly provision are that we have to pass a class in 1 year, the class will be passed and for some time like that.
You had given a good example, but my answer is that if yes, you have a foundation of that, you have to cross that class in 1 year. But it is your ability is not that you can't pass that class. Your ability is not that much.
Okay.
You are failing again and again. You are failing again and again, and you are thinking
so
that
far.
I will. You
Absolutely.
are yes.
If you are not good in the studies, then absolutely you have to repeat the class. Okay, from this side, Bhaskar sir, I think so. You should start your perspective.
As Faizan sir and I am opposing this reforms. My first point is that there is lack of consultation and transparency in these bills. The government has not discussed with even the judiciary and the stakeholders in the country. And my second point is that the government has not clarified on the sedition law, that is section 124A. They again has implemented it in another section, that is section 150, which includes the sedition law and which explains that it affects the integrity and sovereignty of India. Anyone can misuse it easily, means the police can misuse it easily. And my third point is that the government is only changing the name of these laws from English to Hindi. They are rearranging rearranging the sections, and it will burden on the law students and the judiciary that how will they learn if the government have to make the changes. They should add these changes in the existing laws. Why to rearrange all the numbers and
Okay,
sections
wait. So you are saying two things. First is there is only the rearrangement of the articles and the sections, and another thing is that changing a name from English to Hindi. Am I right? You have any counter question? Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am totally opposed of this, that they are only changing name. So no, they are not only changing name. It is so let me complete. So there is also neutral gender neutrality, which was not back then recognized, and now it is also recognized. Like in the cases that the sir has already mentioned, the fake promises to marriage, and also about the paper leak. This is the biggest thing that is happening right nowadays. So these are the small, although minor things, but they are recognizing it. So you can't say that they are just changing the name.
We can't neglect this issues.
Ma'am, I also said that we should add these changes in the current bills. I didn't say that government has did not do anything. I said that they should make these changes in the current bills, current that IPC, CRPC, and Indian evidence, etc.
Okay, wait. Yes, give me. So the thing is that both have mentioned the points of one is up favoring the point and another is opposing the motion. Now next with the chain of this, ma'am, Lavina ma'am, what would you like to say about this topic?
So I am, as you know, that I am in the with the agree. I am agree with these all the points that this bill should be implemented, because there are also some laws according to the theft which is below 5,000. So these are the small things that the government is taking a step forward to, and also the delays, because these 3 years and also about the file report cases also said to be 180 days, so which can prevent the delay.
I want to add on one point. The new implement has added you can file FIR anywhere in the country. The file FIR will be passed to in 15 days to their respective police station. So that's a major thing that you don't have to go there. If your family live there and you are living another there, only one member of your family is your wife or your mother. If anything happens to them, he had to face a criminal case and he is not educated or something like problem like that. You can file FIR anywhere in the countries and FIR will pass to the 15 days. And you are giving that arrangement. The government has, our Honorable Home Minister has given that point. We are for changing the ways like that. We are adding the first citizen, women's rights first in the women's side, then children's right. That we are saying that the women's are we are giving respect to the women and children, that their bills should be in first provision, that the things that women and children, you can, if you listen the speech of them, they are said that point the women and children should be given the first provision in the society, and women and children, because children are the future, and we have to respect our be what's the our thing says that respect women, the first Indian thinks that is giving the pride to in whole
Priority to the women. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Anyone have? Yes, sir. Faizan sir, please.
Firstly, you have mentioned that gender neutrality, and you have said about FIR. So, about gender neutrality, that is that women and men should be equal in equal position. So, before also, when we made a constitution, we have a fundamental rights. In fundamental rights, Article 19, we have right to equality there. So, right to equality says that all gender, all religion, all caste, all race, all are equal. Right to equality gives us right. Before also we have,
But this
and
thing is
fundamental right is a very powerful part of the constitution we have.
Article 12 to 35.
Yes, and Article 19 says that right to equality, clearly mentioned. Gender neutrality clear there. And you said about FIR. Filing an FIR online from anywhere to India. If you file an FIR, you have to visit at a time. If you file an FIR, visit for the rechecking whether the person is real or it is a fake. You have to go to the police
I
station.
can go to any police station, not a particular police station. I can go to any police
No,
station
no,
in
no.
the country.
Wait, it is not-
Okay.
it is not-
Let him. Yes. What are you saying?
It is not right that you have to go to any police station. The nearest police station of your town or of your place, you have to go there. This is the provision of that law. If you suppose if you living here and the nearest police station of your house is nearest, whether it is 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, you are filing FIR online. You have to visit there once at a time for the rechecking that the person is real or fake.
Okay. Wait. Now the thing is that I heard to all of you. The points came, that is of gender neutralness, that is of the false promise of marriage. Another side, he has mentioned the very 2 points that is a very good, like is the rearrangement of the articles in the section, and another thing is that of English to Hindi, that is the names of English. He said about the FIR, and you said about the article, and our constitution is saying that all are equal.
Yes.
In the name of the constitution. So there is no matter of the neutralness of the gender. Yeah, please.
As Lavina ma'am said about charge sheet, it should be filed in 180 days. I think rather than setting limit of 180 days for all the cases, we should categorize the cases, that for one particular days there should be 90 days for small cases. Absolutely. And for bigger cases, extreme cases, there should be limit of 180 days. There should be categorization of cases.
So if they will do the reforms,
Yes.
then absolutely that
Sir,
They
in this
say
reforms,
minimum.
let me please. In this reforms, it is written that there should be 180 days limit. In the reform, it is written that rather than setting the limit of 180 days, we should categorize the cases according to their
But
point.
that's your opinion, no?
Okay, that everyone is saying their opinion. Okay, I think so. You all spoke so very amazingly. See, this topic I don't want to conclude because this bill is still a bill. It is not a law. Okay, there are many reforms. When it will come in a Lok Sabha, in a Raj Sabha, then the many changes, many amendment will done according. This topic, I want to say one thing that to our viewers, that don't conclude this topic. If you have any points, if you have any suggestion, if you have any opinion, if you have the questions, then must write in the comment section so that this GD will going on. Otherwise, I don't want to conclude this because this is only a bill. Okay, there are lots of the things which we have to implement in this. It was a nice discussion with you all guys. You all spoke very amazingly. I request to our viewers that if you really like this video, then please share, comment, and one more thing I am saying, that if you have any topic which you want us to discuss, then must write in a comment section so that we can discuss on that topic also.